How to use YouTube search ranking feature. To use the YouTube search ranking feature, you first of all have to target the right keywords. Use the YouTube autocomplete tool by simply opening the private browsing window and go to the YouTube. Once you open the YouTube application itself, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on the search bar on the top right corner or the magnifying glass icon. Now you simply have to begin typing a core topic into the search bar, such as how to bake a. Once you do this, do not hit the enter. You should be able to find the real-time phrases users are actively searching for. Once you find the phrase itself, all you have to do is now analyze the YouTube Studio Research tab as well. Go ahead and open YouTube Studio Desktop, then click on the Analytics tab. From there, type your topic into the search bar to view the search volume. From now, you simply have to optimize your video metadata, layout, and also the two core metrics that lock down the rankings are CTR and audience retention watch time. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.